talking.
I think he wants Mommy to spray him again.
Uh-huh.
Ready?
Look,
Look. This is the mist. He got Mommy.
Ooh.
Go ahead, get it. Go ahead, get it.
Hey!
Scared him.
Yeah, but he didn't fall down. You guys gotta share.
We're gonna have to figure out something different for next year.